Good morning students. In today's video, I am going to explain about computer graphics and its application in various areas. Topics to be covered are definition of computer graphics, active and passive graphics, and application of computer graphics. Let us start with the definition. Basically, the word came from Greek language. In Greek, the word is graphikos, which means something written, for example, autograph. So graphics are visual images or designs on some surface such as wall, canvas, it may be wall, canvas, screen, paper, etc. to entertain somebody or for the purpose of explaining some contents may be used by doctors, maybe scientist, maybe an engineer or some teaching department. It can be series of images also as video or cartoons. Comprehensively we can say that computer graphics is conversion of data into visual presentation. There are broadly two categories of computer graphics. One is passive and second is active. What is the meaning of passive graphics? In this type of computer graphics, the user has no control over the picture. User can only see the contents of the picture. And in active, user can interact with the contents. User has control over the contents, structure and appearance of the objects on display devices. For example, computer games. The user can control the contents. User can move forward the content or backward. In passive graphics, example is television. User has no control over the picture. He can't move the picture, rotate the picture. He can see only the contents, whatever it is. And in active video game, user can control the picture with the help of joystick. Now, what are the various applications of computer graphics? There are wide applications. For example, medical applications, simulation and virtual reality, graphical user interface, internet, etc. Let us study all the contents one by one. First is CAD, that's computer aided design. Maximum products of the industry can be developed using CAD. For example, auto design, machinery design, aircraft design, building design, electrical circuit designing, etc. We can also animate the moving parts of a vehicle using CAD technique and can easily check performance of the vehicle. In this way, we can develop better vehicles. It's a designing of a cycle using CAD technique. Every content are explained in this. Every distances, every angular measurement is already explained in this content. Mechanical engineers can apply this technique for designing of the cycle. Similarly, we can design many other vehicles. What is the meaning of computer art? Computer graphics is used to develop pictures that express a message and attract attention. In professional fashion designing, architecture, etc., computer art is of best use. It's one of the designing part designed by me. It's almost similar to the pattern represented by rainbow. It's a simple designing in computer graphics using C language. Education and training is the major part in which we can apply computer graphics. It has qualitatively changed the delivery of education and training. With the help of computer graphics, electronics engineer can easily explain to his student about any electronic circuit. In every type of engineering, we can apply this content. Maybe computer science, maybe electrical, maybe electronics, or any other category. In physics, a teacher can explain the movement of planets in solar system. These are just some examples, but in every department we can apply the content. With the help of animation technique, a computer graphics biology teacher can explain easily the working of heart, kidneys, and lungs. Multimedia applications. It is a field concerned with computer controlled integration of text, graphics, and designing drawings, still and moving images, animation, audio, etc., where every type of information can be represented, stored, and processed digitally. Presentation of graphics. These are some of the images. One is the flowchart A, B, C, D, and E, and second is A can be represented in terms of A1, A2, A3, A4. These are just examples, you can write accordingly. The data in pictorial form is always preferred. It's the best representation since it's more understood than that of textual data. Presentation of graphics is widely used in posters, brochures, magazines, and newspapers. Scientific and engineering visualization. To present large amount of data with meaningful information, computer graphics plays a major role. Visualization is mainly used for research purposes. Presently, one problem is there in the world, coronavirus. We can represent the contents using computer graphics. It's one of the images given by a research scholar. Coronavirus, internal and external structure representation using computer graphics. Internet. The word internet came from two words, interconnection and networks, also known as network of networks, which allow the user to share information on the linked computers. Internet is much more broader concept than entertainment. Too much wide information is available on internet. Internet may be boring without graphics. With the help of graphics, we can represent the things easily. GUI, that's graphical user interface. Nowadays, maximum softwares are graphical user interface based. Multiple windows can be displayed and each of which contain different processes. Graphical user interface makes operating system or operating computer very easy because it contains more graphical pictures than text. Now, what is the meaning of simulation and virtual reality? Complex, mechanical, chemical, and industrial processes can be simulated in action so that persons can be trained in their operation before they handling the actual equipment. With the help of simulation technique, we can avoid wastage of cost and time. It's one of the beautiful examples how a dentist learn to treat a patient before actually proceeding with it. These are the picturization of simulation technique. Medical applications. 2D images with the help of X-ray technology can help a doctor to diagnose a problem well. ECG is also very good graphical survey of heart to analyze its functionality. It's one of the beautiful diagrams. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video.